In today's video, we explore some of the best ways to reverse insulin resistance. Fast. Insulin resistance is the root cause of type 2 diabetes, and it can start years before you're even diagnosed. But here's the good news. It's not permanent. You can reverse insulin resistance and lower your blood sugar naturally, often faster than you think. Today, I'm sharing the best science-backed ways to reverse insulin resistance fast, so you can get your energy back, stabilize blood sugar, and protect your long-term health. Make sure you watch until the end. Tip number 5 is one most doctors don't even talk about, but it can have a massive impact. Staring off at number 1, clean up your carbs. Carbs aren't the enemy, but too many, especially processed ones, overwhelm your system and keep insulin high. Focus on non-starchy vegetables, broccoli, peppers, leafy greens, low glycemic fruits, berries, apples, slow carbs like lentils and quinoa if tolerated. Science. Fact. A 2021 review found that low-carb diets significantly improve insulin sensitivity and lower HbA1c, often without medication. Start by cutting sugary drinks, white bread, pasta, pastries, and hidden sugars in sauces. This reduces the amount of insulin your body needs to produce. 1. Try time-restricted eating. One of the fastest ways to improve insulin sensitivity is to give your body a break from constant eating. Start with 12 to 14 hours overnight, finish dinner by 7 p.m., eat breakfast after 8 a.m., and if it feels good, work towards 16-8 fasting. 1. Build more muscle. Muscle is like a sponge for glucose. The more muscle mass you have, the more places your body has to store sugar from your blood, instead of letting it circulate and cause problems. Try 2 to 3 sessions per week of resistance training, bodyweight moves, squats, push-ups, planks, dumbbells, kettlebells, or resistance bands. Functional exercises like rows and lunges. Interesting fact. A study in Diabetologia found that just 12 weeks of strength training improved insulin sensitivity by up to 46% in people with type 2 diabetes. Combine this with daily movement. Walking after meals can lower post-meal blood sugar by 20 to 30%. 1. Lower your stress load. Chronic stress tells your liver to dump glucose into your bloodstream, even if you haven't eaten. High cortisol, higher blood sugar and more insulin resistance. Practical tips: 5 minutes of deep breathing, inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 6. Short walks outside, journaling or meditation before bed. Research highlight: mindfulness-based stress reduction has been shown to lower fasting glucose and improve HbA1c in people with prediabetes. 1. Prioritize quality sleep. Sleep is when your body resets insulin sensitivity. Even one night of poor sleep can make you as insulin resistant as someone with prediabetes the next day. Aim for 7 to 9 hours in a cool, dark, quiet room. Avoid screens for 60 minutes before bed. Blue light blocks melatonin and keeps cortisol high. Study fact: people who sleep less than 6 hours a night have a 28% higher risk of developing insulin resistance compared to those who sleep 7 to 8 hours. 1. Choose better fats. Industrial seed oils, soy, corn, canola, are high in omega-6 fats that promote inflammation, a key driver of insulin resistance. Better choices: extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, grass-fed butter, or ghee in moderation. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, balanced fats, lower inflammation and support healthy insulin signaling. 1. Consider natural support. Certain nutrients and compounds can help. Magnesium, many people with insulin resistance are deficient. Berberine, often called nature's metformin. Cinnamon improves glucose uptake in muscles. Always discuss supplements with your healthcare provider, but these have solid science behind them. Insulin resistance isn't a life sentence. It's a signal to take action. By combining these strategies, you can improve your insulin sensitivity, lower your blood sugar, and dramatically reduce your risk of type 2 diabetes. Which of these tips will you try first? Comment below, and if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to see it.